Dwayne Johnson has a SPAC. Dwayne Johnson has an energy drink, and that is the ZOA. It's a non-alcoholic energy drink which is made with Molson Coors beverages. Its natural ingredients, the company said in a blog post. The company will be named ZOA. That would be Dwayne Johnson. Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, is positioning this as an above premium energy drink with natural ingredients such as turmeric, camu camu, acerola cherry, containing vitamin C, D, and B, added electrolytes, amino acids. It's made with caffeine derived from green tea and unroasted coffee beans. The beverage is made without preservatives, artificial ingredients, or additives. ZOA will be available in 5 flavors, sold in 16-ounce cans. This is Molson Coors' latest effort to move beyond their core core beer offerings, and it's gonna have an introduction of full-flavored seltzer with added probiotics. It is a plant-based diet soda, no calories, no sugar, no artificial ingredients. It's going to be a grain-based milk alternative packed with proteins and nutrients. So I think that is going to be something like the plant-based craze, but there's going to be like the plant-based drinks, probiotic, and energy drinks. Is it a 10x move? Well, so far, Celsius Holdings, CELH, went up. It's a Monster Energy-related drink. So we've seen experience with companies in the beverage market when they hit the big good move. Like, of course, in the Philippines, we talked about like the ready to drink tea, like the RTD, the URC had a successful C2 move. The RTD, the ready to drink beverage market, is gonna be huge if indeed people will buy the drink. So maybe I think the best thing is you make a first-hand experience, guys. Taste ZOA. Tell me what you think. For example, so Molson Coors is now entering the ultra-competitive energy drink space that has been dominated by Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Take note that Pepsi purchased Rockstar for $4 billion and partnered with Bang. And then Coca-Cola launched their own energy drink loaded with caffeine, guarana extracts, and B vitamins. Molson wants to acknowledge that the space is crowded, but they felt that ZOA had healthy ingredients, antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients, and it will stand out. We're committed to transforming ourselves into a beverage company. Another strength of our conviction, said Pete Marino, the president of Molson Coors. The U.S. energy drink market is one of the strongest performers in the non-alcoholic space. The category sales are going to double from 9 to 19 billion in the next 10 years. And ZOA will be first sold on the energy drink category's website, and Amazon will follow with retail stores. Now, the challenge is to go mainstream. You've got Monster, Coke, Red Bull, Celsius. They already have a meaningful presence. But Molson believes that the risk of loss is not a lot. ZOA can catch up with the marketplace. They will tap all their retail distribution networks of Molson Coors, and they're going to use their beverage expertise to gain scale and compete against the industry leaders. Take note, guys, this is going to be disruptor. Dwayne Johnson is going to launch ZOA. He spent 18 months researching, formulating, and the name recognition. So, Molson Coors also had a great partnership so far with Yuengling, the country's oldest brewer, and purchased craft beer maker Atwater Brewery. Let me show to you Molson, Molson beer, Molson. Molson Coors ticker symbol is TAP, as in tap beer. Tap beer right now from about $32 rose to $56. It's now $44. Hasn't really rallied. If you think that ZOA is gonna do well, you're gonna want to buy in at $40. Now, of course, we don't want to buy a beer company. We really want to buy the company itself. Meaning, example, we know that CELH did well from about what, $4 all the way to $60. This is the energy drink. Celsius Holdings did very well. So ZOA, which is gonna be a SPAC, ZOA SPAC, Dwayne Johnson. Let's take a look how Dwayne can actually propel this SPAC to go infinite. Well, not infinite, but let's see. Billion-dollar energy drink. Ladies and gents, it is an honor to introduce you to ZOA Energy. Dwayne The Rock Johnson, ZOA Energy, coming this March. Danny Garcia wants to enter this fitness beverage space. They're going to enter through a SPAC. John Schulman, Dwayne Johnson, the food business, energy drink line. This is the drink. Multifaceted team of innovators launching their energy drink, the ZOA drink. This is the group. Are you in it? Okay. This is the group. ZOA Energy, founded by Dwayne Johnson, Danny Garcia, Dave Renzi, The Rock. All right. What's the name of this pack? A true disruptor. Um, I'm gonna bet a little. I'm not quite sure. I know that there's gonna be hype in this. It's gonna be hyped. But I'm not sure if I truly want this. Let's see. So ZOA Energy, ticker symbol would be ZOA, ZOA. So let me see if it's already listed or will it still just start the list. ZOA. So we want Kitty Hawks. Let's go to the trading view. ZOA, ZOA. To eliminate the fear of missing out, you just really have to buy a little bit. ZOA is not listed yet. This is in Tokyo. That's not the ZOA I want. ZOA is not listed. I guess you need to follow Mr. Dwayne Johnson and ZOA Energy Drink to see whether it's listed already. It says here it's March. So that would be next month. Is it one of your brands? Thank you for not using plastic bottles. Good job. So